15 kitchens with shaker cabinets. Clean and modern are two words that describe this two-tone kitchen by Heidi Kalier Design. Both the upper and lower cabinets are shaker-inspired. The glass front options add a massive dose of visual interest by putting pretty dishware on display. You can create the upscale, traditional kitchen of your dreams with shaker-style cabinets. Dove Design Studio did just that with black lacquered cabinetry topped off with crown molding. Brass accents including the pendant lights and cabinet handles add a layer of luxury. But wait, there's more. The crowning jewel in this cooking space is the spectacular black oven hood with gold trim. It is a standout feature that screams luxury. Of course, you can get mighty creative with shaker cabinetry. In this eclectic kitchen by Kropa Interior Design, simple white base cabinets throw focus to the acid green upper cabinets with glass fronts. The pop of bold color is what gives this cooking space its contemporary appeal. This drool-worthy kitchen by Kat Lawton Interiors certainly has plenty of storage space. Floor-to-ceiling shaker-style cabinetry covers most of the space. To create a little separation between the different food prep areas, the cabinets against the wall were painted black. Sure, warm color schemes are about to have a big moment, but we are still suckers for a bright white and charcoal gray palette as shown in this chic kitchen by interior designer Grant K. Gibson. The white shaker cabinets appear to be floating against a subway tile wall. The darker base cabinets anchor the cooking space. Dress-up glass front shaker cabinets with mullion molding as shown in this white kitchen by Tucker Thomas Design. Mullions are basically decorative accents that go over glass panels. You can find them in a broad range of styles including the simple X pattern displayed here. It is not unusual to see slab drawer fronts in kitchens with shaker cabinets. This colorful cooking space by Sustainable Kitchens is a wonderful example. Note the simple black cabinet knobs that beautifully punctuate the blue cabinetry. The yellow oven and colorful appliances are a great way to personalize a cooking space. Many people love shaker kitchen cabinets for their crisp, clean lines and enduring looks. This monochromatic kitchen by Frank Shirley Architects features shaker-inspired base cabinets. On the left, a clever front that resembles a cabinet door conceals the dishwasher. Paint can really take shaker-inspired cabinetry to any level you please. Jess at the Glamour Nest gave her cooking space a retro-flavored twist with a paint shade by Benjamin Moore called Scuba Green. It is identical to one of our favorite colors ever, Tiffany Blue. Chrome hardware is a staple in mid-century modern-inspired cooking spaces. The brushed nickel cabinet pulls coordinate nicely with the vintage oven's chrome accents. Shaker-inspired furniture is much loved for its minimalist designs made with utility in mind. In this transitional cooking space by Archiform, vibrant blue shaker-style base cabinets are paired with rustic, wall-mounted shelves. The combination is a stylishly modest and super practical idea. The best part, shelves are typically much cheaper to buy and install compared to upper cabinets. For many people, the best small kitchens feel bright and uncluttered as shown in this example by interior design firm, The White Arrow. The two-tone room features royal blue shaker-style base cabinets with bright white walls. While the cooking space is packed with traditional features including an apron front sink and marble countertops, it feels incredibly modern because of the simple color scheme and minimal cabinetry. We think every kitchen should have at least one incredibly chic feature. Here it's the polished copper sink fixtures. We love bright kitchens. But when it comes to enduring style, our hearts truly belong to crisp, white kitchens. It's a winning idea that will stand the test time compared to a trendy remodel. This pitch-perfect kitchen, for instance, by interior design Grant K. Gibson, features shaker-inspired cabinet doors, another classic with real staying power. Scandinavian design typically focuses on cool color schemes, clean lines, and stylish functionality. Shaker cabinetry in a steely gray helped interior design firm Studio McGee capture the essence of Scandi style in this ample cooking space. To preserve the understated look of the cabinets, the design team went with gunmetal hardware instead of something more blingy and polished brass. Blue tile, white shaker cabinetry, and gorgeous wood floors are the yummy ingredients in this nautical-inspired cooking space by McKinley Architects. Stylish drawer and door pulls made of brass and wood give the cabinets seaworthy flair. See the large cabinet door on the right. It conceals the refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.